Hello guys, welcome to MCQ Biology. This is part 2 of Plant Kingdom MCQs based on each line of NCERT Biology. Let's get started. Chlorophyceae are grass green due to the dominance of pigment chlorophyll A, C, chlorophyll B, A, chlorophyll D, C, all of these. Correct answer is chlorophyll B, A. Paranoids are located in cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus. Correct answer is chloroplast. Pyridinoids store protein, starch, lipids, both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B, that is both protein and starch. Cell wall of green algae is made up of cellulose and pectose, cellulose and pectin, inner layer of pectose and outer layer of cellulose, inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose. Correct answer is inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose. Zoospores are formed during asexual reproduction of algae and formed in sporangia, zoosporangia, microsporangia, megasporangia. Correct answer is zoosporangia. Sexual reproduction is of isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous in Chlorophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae, Chlorophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Correct answer is Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae. Algae which are primarily marine is red algae, brown algae, green algae, all of these. Correct answer is brown algae. Filamentous brown algae is Spirogyra, Laminaria, Ectocarpus, Porphyra. Correct answer is Ectocarpus. Green algae performs dash oogamous type sexual reproduction. Sphagnum, Volvox, Dictyota, Spirogyra. Correct answer is Volvox. So green algae performs Volvox oogamous type sexual reproduction. Kelp represent the group of bryophytes, red algae, green algae, brown algae. Correct answer is brown algae. Kelp may reach a height up to 120 meter, 100 meter, 1000 meter, 10 meter. Correct answer is 100 meter. The algae which possesses chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids and xanthophylls belongs to green algae, brown algae, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer is brown algae. Brown algae vary in color from dash to various shades of dash depending on the amount of dash pigment present and dash present in them. Fucoxanthin, xanthophyll, blue, brown. Blue, brown, fucoxanthin, xanthophyll. Yellow, brown, fucoxanthin, xanthophyll. Olive green, brown, fucoxanthin, xanthophyll. Correct answer is D, that is brown algae vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown depending on the amount of fucoxanthin pigment and xanthophyll present in them. Laminaria and mannitol are stored foods of Euglena, green algae, liverworts, brown algae. Correct answer is brown algae. The plant body of algae is divided in holdfast, stipe and fronds in Chara, Laminaria, Porphyra, all of these. Correct answer is Laminaria. The plant body attached to substratum in brown algae is by rhizoids, multicellular hair, hold fast, roots. Correct answer is hold fast. The photosynthetic leaf-like organ found in some of the algae are called sporophyll, fronds, leaves, scaly leaves. Correct answer is fronds. Zoospores of brown algae are uniflagellate, multiflagellate, biflagellate, maybe any of the above three. Correct answer is biflagellate. So zoospores of brown algae are biflagellate. The arrangement of flagella in brown algae is one and equally arranged, two unequal and laterally arranged, many flagella arranged anywhere on the body, depends from organism to organism. Correct answer is two unequal and laterally arranged. The biflagellate pear-shaped zoospores are characteristics of red algae, green algae, brown algae, all of these. Correct answer is brown algae. Fertilization in brown algae occurs in water, within the oogonia, both A and B, none of this. Correct answer is both A and B. So fertilization in brown algae occurs in water and within the oogonia I mean. Sexual reproduction shown by members of brown algae is isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Piediform gametes means P-shaped gametes, pear-shaped gametes, gametes with one flagella, all of these. Correct answer is pear-shaped gametes. Dictyota belongs to bryophytes, green algae, brown algae, none of these. Correct answer is brown algae. Red algae are red due to presence of pigment phycoerythrin, R-phycocyanin, R-phycoerythrin, R-phyphocyanin. Correct answer is R-phycoerythrin. Red algae are found in cold seas, seas with moderate temperature, warm water, none of these. Correct answer is warm water. Algae found in the areas where no light penetrates is green algae, dinoflagellates, red algae, brown algae. Correct answer is red algae. Algae found in areas with abundant light as well as areas of great depths with no light is red algae, green algae, blue algae, brown algae. Correct answer is red algae. Red algae are mostly unicellular, multicellular, maybe multicellular and unicellular, none of these. Correct answer is multicellular. Floridian starch is stored food found in some protists, some bryophytes, some algae, prokaryotes. Correct answer is some algae. Please subscribe and sorry, I have a question for you. Please tell me in the comments which element is extracted from kelp. Follow us on Instagram, MCQ Biology. Thank you. Good luck.